I have a flight coming up on American Airlines pretty soon, and I want to see if the price has dropped since I booked it a month ago. So here's what I'm going to do. I'll minimize myself, and I just log into my American Airlines account, and from there, I'm going to click Manage Trips. And there's my flight. Let's see, a flight from Phoenix to Portland. So I'm going to click the button View Change. Nothing happens automatically, so don't get too concerned. It's going to open up this page, my flight, and I'm going to click that blue button, Change Trip. Again, it's not going to change anything automatically unless you approve it, so don't get too nervous about that. Here's what opens up. That's my flight, that 8:03 a.m. flight. And if you see the $85, that's a negative $85, meaning the price has gone down since I booked it. And you can get that money back, not in cash or not as a refund to your credit card, but you can get it as American Airlines credit, $85. I'm just going to click it, and that's going to go right back into my account. It'll appear as a credit for me to use on a future flight. No change fees associated with this as long as you book main cabin or above. So this usually doesn't work if you book the lowest fare, the basic economy fare. But if you book main cabin or above, you will have this opportunity to get that refund, that airline credit refund or mileage refund if you used mileage, back into your account to use on in a future trip.